Hello again, it's Joey John McGuire. As I'm sure you can see, I'm at home today, about to sing my latest melody. The tune is Stolen, and it's called Time Is Up. Wrote it in the early hours of this morning. Time is up. With musical melody, its way of telling me, chimes call out loudly as the hours are passing. The clock on mantle sits, a watch adorns my wrist, snug in a pocket fits. Time is all around me, wasted and lost on me, ticks through eternity. Always my closest friend, the day will come to leave me. Shadows both long and short, on dials of every sort, catches and passes me, incessant in its creeping. Records all my finished laps, tells when I'm gone too fast, ticks while I'm sleeping, and wakes me in the morning. There from my date of birth, unheard from at times of mirth, silent in sorrow, but now its tick is thunder. Dances in perfect time, tick-tocks repeat in rhyme, passes but I can see exactly where it's going. Leaves me with deep regrets, there for me when I've wept, and no doubt will remind me when it's time to go. A musical melody, its way of telling me, chimes that call loudly until it's time for me to go. A musical melody, its way of telling me, chimes that call loudly until it's time for me to go.